Hello to all my viewers. Today we'll understand how to run predictive model markup language PMML in polynomial regression in KNIME. So in case of polynomial regression analysis, the basic assumption is that the relationship between dependent and independent variable is non-linear. There is one independent variable and there can be many independent variables. It is necessary that the dependent and independent variables both are on continuous scale. The example of the continuous scale is blood pressure, weight, height. Now, what is a polynomial regression? It is a form of a regression analysis in which the relationship between the independent variable x and the dependent variable y is modeled as an nth degree polynomial in x. Say, for example, if we talk about simple linear model, y is equal to beta 0, that's a constant, plus beta 1 into x. But if I talk about the polynomial model, there are quite good chances that we are including the power on x1 square or x2 square or x1 cube. So that is known as a polynomial regression. What is a PMML model? So PMML provides a way for analytic applications to describe and exchange predictive models produced by data mining and machine learning algorithms. How we can do this? It's very simple. Let's see in KNIME Analytics platform. First of all, let's activate the input output from here. Activate the accelerator. Now double click on it and browse the dataset. So my data set is empty cars. Click open, click apply, click OK. Now right click on it and execute. Again right click on it and see the file table. So you can see here that the mileage of the vehicle is there, miles per gallon, number of cylinders, displacement of the vehicle, horsepower of the vehicle, displacement rate, weight of the vehicle, QSEC, vertical or straight engine, automatic or manual transmission, number of gears, and number of carburetors. Now, we want to find out what are the factors which are influencing the mileage of the vehicle. Therefore, I will activate the polynomial regression learner. Right click on it, configure. We are making miles per gallon as our target variable. Maximum polynomial degree is 2. We'll remove all other variables from here and we'll only include horsepower and weight. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the coefficient and statistics. So you'll be able to see the p-value. If the p-value is less than 0.05, it means that all these variables are significantly contributing to the dependent variable, which is miles per gallon. Now, what is a model which we have made? This we have discussed in my earlier videos also. I'll request all my viewers to refer my previous video to understand the flow of this lecture series. So you can see here, the model which is being made on the basis of this is miles per gallon is equal to 49. This one constant minus 0.89 minus 0.089 into horsepower. The exponent is 1 minus 9.457 into weight. 0 into horsepower, so we'll not have anything. 0.88 into weight square because the exponent is 2. The model is being made. Now we want to transfer this model to the PMML language. How we can do it? So activate PMML writer. Right click on it, configure. So it will ask me where you want to save this polynomial model. I'll say D drive and I'll say polynomial. Save. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now you go on the next canvas and activate again the input output. So we will be giving a completely new data set to this model. Browse, D drive. So previously we had the model was being constructed on the basis of empty cars 1. So we are giving empty cars test. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. So you can see the completely new data set is being considered. Now I want to activate that model using PMML. So PMML reader is to be activated. Double click on it. It will ask me the location where my PMML model is there. So D drive. You can see here now it has been saved as polynomial. Click open, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now again you will have to activate PMML predictor. So this PMML predictor will get the model from this reader and the data set will be fed it from Excel reader. Right click on it, configure. Change the name of the prediction column, click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the predicted data. So this is our original data and this is the predicted data which we got. How well the model is being fitted, for that we will activate the numeric scorer. Right click on it, configure. So here it will be miles per gallon. Click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the statistics. So you can see here R square is 0.711 and adjusted R square is 0.711, which means that the explanatory power of the model is 71%. Or in other words, horsepower and weight collectively are able to explain 71% variation in miles per gallon. This is for the new data set. So this is a way you can use PMML model in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on KNIME.